This has been long awaited and needed as a result of Hurricane Ian and the damage that it brought here locally. This is simply one of the most beautiful spots in Seminole County because it gives you the juxtaposition of progress between the roads and nature.
This is our most used and heavily used boat ramp in the entire county. Part of the construction of this was to go ahead and raise the level of a lot of the surrounding structures so that hopefully the next time we have high water on the St. John's, this boat ramp can remain in operation. We've added a third launch point to this boat ramp. We only had 2 here before, just due to the volume and the popularity. So the funds from this to reconstruct this facility came from our penny sales tax. It also came through FWC's boating infrastructure grant program. So we're able to put enough money away to be able to go ahead and complete this project in time.
We're glad that you can launch from here again, and we are always delighted to be able to bring you opportunities to interface with nature.